you for this beautiful day. We make this offering of the tobacco to Mother Earth. We know in our custom and in our ways, Mother Earth is essential to everything that we have. She provides us the food, the plants, the trees, and everything that we need to survive. Today's a beautiful day. We had a little rain last night. So we call upon the Creator to bless all of us that are here, that took the time on a Sunday morning to come out. But we call upon you to always remember those in our communities that we have lost, that are at rest in Mother Earth, those that are sick. We offer prayers to them. All of our service personnel, those that are on active duty, the veterans, especially those that gave the ultimate gift to this country of ours. We know that in our hearts, our words, our prayers mean a lot, and that we continue to give thanks to everything that we have. Friendships, happiness, sadness, and sometimes anger, that we can work our way through that. But more importantly, health. It's events like these that we can share the knowledge, the customs, and the foods of the ancestors and what it took to survive off them. So we thank you, Creator, we thank you for today. I thank you and ask for blessings, not only for today, but all the tomorrows to come. Oh, and I've asked Will to do a welcome Birdsong, him and Andrew.
Sakwa, sakwa, ayawema.